I'm Jennifer Turcotte with IGL Coatings, and this is EcoCoat EZ. Let's check it out. This user-friendly, easy coating is reinforced with graphene, has increased hardness rating of 8H on the pencil scale, durable up to 12 months, and improved water spotting resistance with increased chemical resistance as well. With this, it also has a better slip angle and improved hydrophobics with gloss. EcoCoat EZ's versatility allows it to be additionally applied on glass, windows, and wheels. As the only one-layer ceramic coating in IGL Coatings' product line, EZ is the perfect choice of time-conscious detailers looking for a time-saving, easy-to-use, and durable ceramic coating. In order to permit sufficient chemical bonding of EcoCoat EZ to the substrate, the surface must be carefully cleaned of all contaminants before the application. The durability of the coating depends on how well EcoCoat EZ has chemically bonded with the surface. It is highly recommended to polish the surface with an abrasive system to remove all hard-bearing contamination on the surface. The additional use of EcoClean iron is recommended to remove iron particles or fallout. Use EcoClean wash to thoroughly remove all remaining residue and leftover film on the surface. Dry the surface before using EcoClean pre-coat. The pre-coat ensures the completely clean and reactive paint surface. Coat the clean surface immediately after cleaning to prevent any contamination. Place a few drops of EcoCoat EZ on the provided applicator cloth in a vertical direction. Do not crosshatch. Make sure to shake well before application to ensure that the mixture is well mixed. Apply the product lightly on a surface in a 1 by 1 foot area in a vertical direction. If applying in a higher temperature or humidity, apply in smaller areas. Immediately level the coating using a clean, dry IGL microfiber cloth. The applied coating will fully cure in 3 to 5 days. During this period, the surface should not be washed with any harsh shampoos, all-purpose cleaners, or any products containing caustic soda. This will damage the hydrophobic properties. If necessary, the coated surface may be washed with just normal water during this period. Do not apply the product in temperatures below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not expose the surface to be treated in direct sunlight before or during the application. The surface must not be hot during application. Provide adequate ventilation and fresh air during application. If the substrate was previously treated with any coating system, proper removal, preferably with a polishing agent, is important to ensure that the product bonds directly with the surface. EcoCoat Premier can be applied on the surface to prevent formation of water spots during the 3 to 5 days full curing period. Couple pro tips. Always do test spots in an inconspicuous surface on the car before applying EcoCoat EZ. If any product is left over on the surface of the paint, it is called a high spot. To remove that high spot, take the EcoClean Multi out of the kit, spray it on an IGL microfiber cloth, and remove the high spot. Go over again with EcoClean Pre-Coat and reapply EZ. And lastly, EcoCoat EZ is not suitable for plastic and trim. For more information, visit iglcoatingsusa.com, or you can contact me directly at jturcotte@iglcoatingsusa.com.